I listen to the radio in the car. She practices yoga every morning. He fixes cars for a living. We meet our friends for dinner. They enjoy playing video games. The sun sets in the horizon. The birds sing sweetly in the trees. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. My sister paints beautiful landscapes. I drink water to stay hydrated. She practices her dance moves. He repairs electronic devices. We go for a jog in the park. They play soccer on weekends. The rain stops and the clouds clear. The wind blows gently through the trees. The train arrives on time. My brother fixes computers. The children play with toys. I take the bus to work. She meets her friends for dinner. He watches movies at home. We go shopping at the mall. They practice soccer drills. The moon shines brightly in the night sky. The stars twinkle in the darkness. The computer crashes and needs to be restarted. My friend shares her snacks with me. The baby sleeps soundly through the night. I send emails to my colleagues. She sketches in her sketchbook. He rides his bike to school. We have lunch at a restaurant. They study for their exams. The river rushes downstream. The waves crash against the rocks. The plane lands smoothly at the airport. My parents support me in my endeavors. The cat lounges in the sun. I watch a movie at the cinema. She takes a ballet class. He fixes a leaky pipe. We go on a vacation every year. They enjoy playing board games. The sun warms the earth. The birds chirp happily. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher assigns homework to the students. My sister sings beautifully.